Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Work Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2012. So this is the very last of the T190s. They did make a handful of 13s. This is a 12K series. This machine has 2,272 hours. When I bought this machine had an engine problem. I just put a reman engine in this thing. It was $5,500. It's 100% ready to go, and once we did that, we liked it. The thing works so dang going good. We went ahead, it was skin up on the sides and stuff, so we did touch up the paint. We've done a full service on it. All hub wheels are changed, all filters are changed, and I've put about 15 hours on it myself personally, and the thing works like $1 million. At 50 hours, which we're right at, it was 2260 when we put the engine in. Long story short, you'll need to do a 50-hour engine oil change, but other than that, it is 100% serviced and ready to go to work. This can have the standard tracks on it. The 12-inch tracks are going to be 75%. Both are matched. Undercarriage is 75% plus. We're going to start you back here in the engine compartment, take you completely around the machine. I wanted to tell everybody that I'm, guarantee my stuff to be 110%. Back door is good and straight, other than one dent down here in the bottom. I didn't spare any expense when we put this thing in. I wanted everything to be right. I like to do that with my stuff. I don't pull any punches. We do stuff right. I want it to be right. That's just how we roll here. A lot of people aren't that way. This is a 2607 engine. This was the very last of the good Kubota stuff that they put in these machines, in my opinion. This thing is going to have a lot of power. These are 66 horsepower T190s. They will walk the dog in a T190. Very good running engine. Always liked them. And then the failure was on this machine. It had a hydraulic cooler hose, which I'll show you, come off, and it give it some hydraulic oil, and that is what happened. And that is a known thing that we have seen before in the past in the Bobcat stuff. It's something that has happened. It's not something that's super common, but it is something that has happened. And I like to be honest and tell everybody the truth. But again, it's fully serviced. It's ready to go. There is no issues with this machine. I guarantee it to be 110%. Again, back door shuts good. Back corners are still good and straight. We did get through the lift cylinders. We resealed. Again, we pulled the sprockets. Sprockets, and again, undercarriage is 75 to 80%. Tracks, again, are 75% match. There are some cuts in them, but they're in good shape. We did change hub wheels. This has the later model 12 volt style drive motor in it. Hydraulic oil is full. I did put with this machine a OEM Bobcat 66-inch like new tooth bucket, and you can see that thing has a crisp cutting edge, like new teeth on it, is in very, very nice condition. And I like to put the right buckets on the machine so you have something there that's right. We'll show you here at the other side matches. Auxiliary hydraulics, front and attachments, standard 16.9 gallon a minute with case drain. We did put a new bottom seat cushion in. It had a crack. I did go ahead and we put 2 new boots in on the steering levers. Again, I'm fussy. I'm all picky with my stuff. You got these guys out there with shaky cans, just throwing a little coat of shaky can overhaul on it. They don't do any work, but we like to get through and make sure our stuff's right. 2272. One thing I will show you here at Merck Supply Company, we'll engage both drive motors. I'll put the parking brake on, show you the parking brakes work. That's one thing I like to do. And that way everything there works the way it's supposed to. We'll take it down here in the pile, push with it for you. You see that. But if you are looking for a nice last of the years of a T190, here is something very nice to look at. And I'm not hiding it. We did touch that paint up, but it is a nice machine. The machine's well worth doing that. To preserve it, but if you're looking for something nice, ready to go to work, here is something to take a look at. And this is not some auction junker machine. So we're going to go ahead, fire us up, run around, show you what it's supposed to do. watching the video. The machine is 110% ready to go to work. Very nice, clean machine. Runs and works excellent. 2,272 hours. 2012 K-Series T190. Last of the T190s. One thing about the T190 I always say, they were just a right-sized machine in my opinion. They were easy to haul. I mean, you still had enough machine there, you could do a lot of work with it. This has the 2607 engine, turboed, 66 horse, the later style drive motor. This is the last of the T190s. You know, here's a really nice, clean machine ready to go to work. Yep, we did get through and did all of our work. I did my due diligence, and I know that I have a good machine here. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Again, this isn't some auction machine. This isn't some 4,000-hour machine. This is a nice 2,272-hour machine, low-hour machine in the market right now. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.